guys. Okay, I know, it's been like a minute since I've been on YouTube. I'm not dead, I'm still here. I basically just needed a break. I took some time off of social media and now I'm in London, so I figured it'd be a good time to start vlogging again. I just wanted some time to myself to think about what I wanted to do, and pretty much nothing has changed. So, but I am in London right now. Really happy to be here. The weather is just perfectly rainy. Yeah, I am here for the London Toy Fair. I'm with Gentry. Today we're gonna go filming around the city. But before I show you any of that, I'm gonna show you my year in review video. I have a bunch of old clips from this past year that I haven't used. I'd like to share with you what I did this past year. I will talk to you guys in my next video, and enjoy. Roll the clips. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Oh, hey, guys. Bean Boozled Challenge. Oh my god. Today is the first day of the World Yo-Yo Contest here in Iceland. I experience so much anxiety, and this gives me a lot of that. Hey guys, today I am back with Mr. Gentry Stein. We will be doing the Bean Boozled Challenge. Eating jelly beans, but it's either one or the other of the flavor.
Yeah, so it looks like there's a little spinner, and you flick it, and then it lands on one of the things, and you don't know if you're gonna get a bad flavor or a good one, because they look the same.
It's just a flavor.
So you're saying this isn't real vomit?
Oh my god.
How do we decide who goes first?
No, we both eat it at the same time. We spin it, and then we both pick one.
Oh,
and then,
no way?
You know,
okay.
it could be
so
the same.
One of us for sure gets the bad one.
Maybe, or we could both get a good one.
Oh, or both get a bad one.
Tutti Frutti and Stinky Socks.
Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti.
I think it's gonna be Stinky Socks.
Oh my god. Tutti Frutti. What'd you get?
I mean, my socks, like, smell pretty good.
Fair enough. Go. I think I have chocolate, but I don't.
Yeah, I think I got chocolate too. This has been so underwhelming.
I think it's chocolate.
I definitely got chocolate again.
Yeah. It's like $20.
What is life? What if everyone who does this is lying and there's no actual bad jelly beans? We'll find out, I guess. Yeah. There we go.
Oh my god!
What is, oh no, it's the vomit. Oh.
Oh my god.
That's really bad. Oh my god.
You know that feeling when like are about to vomit, but then you like pull it back in? It's exactly what it tastes like.
Do you have, where's the candy? Where's the, can you hand me one of those Kit Kats?
We're gonna turn it up a notch. Who does the most
suicide yo-yo trick? Go first?
Yeah, I will go first.
How was your suicide game?
Not that great. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Hey, the string is really long, okay? So we're using the same yo-yo to make it fair.
Excuses, 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 okay? No!
Oh my god. Why is it so difficult? Oh.
Wha-bang!
Okay. Dog, canned food, or chocolate? That is dog food.
Oh, I can smell it. I can totally smell it. Boobop's gonna come back and he's gonna be like, did you buy dog food? That's so strong.
So let's try Tutti Frutti again.
Your facial expression.
Tutti Frutti.
Oh. Oh. It wasn't bad until I just... Oh, it could worse.
We are gonna call someone to ask us a yo-yo trivia question.
Hey,
That's magic.
So we're currently filming our Bean Boozled video. You're on camera right now. I want to say hello. Say hello.
No, whoever gets it first, the correct one, doesn't have to eat the jelly bean.
Yo-yo question?
Yeah, yo-yo trivia question.
Let me think. Who won the World's 2008?
Tanya, no.
Oh!
World 2008. Wow,
Wait, no, that wasn't the question. How do I not know that? That's so, like, I totally know that.
Yeah, you
That's
should
my
know
favorite
that.
routine of all time.
I guess you don't like him as much as I do.
Okay, that wasn't the question. Okay, that doesn't count, but just for the integrity of the game, I'm still gonna eat a bean for that one.
Okay, okay.
So Vashik, what is your question for us?
So my question is, in which of the following countries is not national yo-yo contest being organized? A. Croatia. B. Spain. C. United Kingdom. D. Finland.
Wait.
Oh, I don't know.
To make it clear, the question is, which of the following countries has never been organized a national yo-yo contest? A. Croatia. B. Italy. C. No.
He changed them. Yeah.
2, 1, go!
Finland.
Croatia.
A. Because there were Finnish national yo-yo contests.
No. Oh.
It's vomit.
Oh. Maybe one of the better bad ones. That's definitely coconut. Oh, it's kind of nice to like get 2 tries when one of them's good.
Yeah.
For the third challenge, we're gonna pull up a live video on my Instagram.
Hey, what's up, guys?
I don't think we have any viewers yet.
Oh, I don't know how the live stream works.
Hey, we have 7 viewers so far. Oh,
Okay, perfect.
okay, the
14.
viewers are stacking up. But we're looking for you guys to tell us what challenge we should do. 10 suicides? I'm sorry, we're not that good at suicide. Most gyroscopic flops.
Oh, that's
could
a
be a
good
good one.
one. FFG.
Fobzg.
Thank you.
Are we gonna go with that?
Yeah.
Magic
Yeah.
trick? I don't know that one. I should probably watch your video on that, huh? Oh, 1. Yes. 1 is the number to beat. Luckily, in Peru, Andre Boulay gave me a little tip on this one.
And
But I haven't practiced, so we're gonna give it a nice, hold on.
oh, no way. Wait. Okay, you have it.
Enjoy!
Juicy pear
Or booger.
Oh my gosh, booger.
That was quick. You are a troop. Oh.
It's 2 days after the World Yo-Yo Contest, and I'm looking a little rough right now because we went camping.
And I was hooked and like an addict. I can't get enough. Can't be away, take me away. You're on the I'll be your friend. I'll be your
Hello. I'm drenched. I don't want to go back out. So right now I am at Yo-Yo Summer Camp. We are headed to Old Town Square, which is where the main Christmas market is right now. And no one vlogs here, so I feel a little awkward.
You are awkward, yeah.